Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 11 Lite and let me share with you how to enable the demo mode on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and now let's go to the additional settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and enter developer options. If you cannot find the developer options in your device, no worries, we've got a tutorial of how to enable them, so simply check it and come back to this video. So if we are on the developer options, all we have to do is to simply scroll down a little bit to find the demo mode option, which is right now obviously turned off. So if you want to turn it on, just tap on the switcher, and here we've got the information that the demo mode will stop the clock, will display the battery and other icons in their full state, and so this is how the demo mode works. So simply tap on turn on, and as you can see, we've got mentioned changes on the status bar. So we've got a halted hour, we've got also full icons. So of course, if you want to turn it off, just tap on this switcher, and if it actually did not change properly, simply reboot your device. So actually this is it. This is how to enable demo mode in your Xiaomi 11 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.